I'm always looking for easy, make-ahead dishes for when I entertain. Meatballs have been given a new lease on life by making them with Aussie lamb. I add additional Mediterranean flair with feta and optional olives in my sauce. I find a meal like this always impresses and always satisfies, and yet it is so easy. Set the mixture aside for 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Dip your hands in warm water to avoid the meat sticking to your palms. And don't get too handsy. The less you handle these, the better. Heat the olive oil in a large, heavy-bottomed saucepan over medium-high heat. Place them on a baking sheet and set aside. Now, let's make the sauce. Take all of the ingredients and combine them in a heated pan. Stir and let simmer for 15 to 30 minutes. You can also use pre-made or store-bought sauces to save time. I love to make cleanup a breeze and serve straight from the pot. And to this day, meatballs are a go-to in my house.